So hi everyone, how are you guys doing? So first of all, let me welcome you guys to the Unacademy JEE English. This, as you know, is a brand new channel by Unacademy, which is India's largest online learning platform for IIT And on this particular channel of Unacademy, every concept of physics, chemistry, and maths are being taught to you completely in English. All right. So first of all, happy Republic Day to all. Today we have a mega quiz on fluid hydrostatics. Let me just write the quiz code. So quiz code for today's quiz is very quickly down is 670907. Okay. All right. So before we start this quiz, let me introduce myself first. So for those of you who don't know me yet, so my name is Rohit Dixit and I studied mechanical engineering from IIT Delhi. And for almost past 8 years now, I've been teaching physics for the IIT JEE exams. Okay. Now, as a student, I myself was All India rank 447 and All India rank 182, and I had qualified the NTC Stage 2 examination as well, and I was in the top 1% in the NSCP as well. I've already called many students to top ranks in the IIT exams in my offline years of teaching. Now I hope to continue guiding you guys online here. So, students who are looking for methods of their preparation without any interruption, even in this time where students are hardly getting any access to good education. So, a wonderful opportunity for you is you can get the Unacademy subscription. This subscription will give you benefits like live classes where you get to interact with your educators. And in these classrooms, you also have live polls and leaderboards, which keep them highly interactive and quite efficient. Then you have test series and analysis sessions like we are having right now. And of course, you have live doubt clearing sessions. So for all Unacademy Plus courses, after every 3 teaching sessions, you have one session entirely dedicated to the doubts of students, where students can ask for any kind of doubts. So this feature ensures that your doubts never pile up with your Unacademy Plus courses. Now, on top of all these opportunities, I think the biggest chance that you're getting is to study from the best educators all across the country from the comfort and safety of your home. So for to avail all these features and to get the best of your JEE preparation, this is what you need to do. The first step involves you to install the Unacademy app. The moment you install this app, you will unlock for yourself a lot of free features like free courses. So you can simply download and install the app, and you can enroll in these free courses. You don't have to buy any subscription. Then, of course, you can attend special classes. So again, anybody who has downloaded this can attend these special classes. And finally, you have quizzes like the one we are having right now. So these quizzes are also free. So again, for all these free features, no subscription is needed. All you need to do is just download and install the app and use the code RD Live. So that is all you have to do. You will be asked an invite code. So that is where you can use the code RD Live and avail all these free features. So your education or your learning starts right away without having to pay any kind of fees. Now, if you like the content that you are getting, the kind of content that you're getting on your Unacademy free features, and finally you decide to take it to the next level with the Plus subscription, then these are the steps that you need to follow. So first, you'll need to go to the Plus section of your app, then select your goal as IIT JEE and click on the Get Subscription button. Now, once you do that, you will be redirected to the payment page where you will realize that you will find a box which will say, do you have a code? That is where you can enter this code, RD Live. So this code will give you a 10% off on all your subscription fees. Okay, now you can also choose from two kinds of subscriptions, Plus and Iconic, and you will realize that when you click on Proceed to Pay, you also get the option of breaking this payment into a lot of no-cost EMIs, which will definitely lessen the burden of these payments. Finally, those of you who don't know what the Iconic subscription is, the Iconic subscription will take your IIT JEE preparation to the next level by allotting you personal coaches. So from our team of experts, you are allotted personal coaches who will personally mentor you and guide you throughout your IIT JEE journey. And along with all the plus benefits, you also get to attend a lot of IIT JEE workshops, receive timely expert guidelines, get study planner, and get regular test analysis sessions. So these features will make sure not only you cruise through your JEE preparation, but you power through it. Okay. Next, students who have just come into class 11th and are looking for how to go about their preparations can go for the combo subscriptions offered by Unacademy. So now Unacademy offers you 4 combo subscriptions, and these combo subscriptions take care of all your study needs for the next 2 years. Be it your class 11 CBSE, be it your class 12 CBSE, hence the boards, be it your ITJ mains preparation, be it your ITJ advanced preparation. So all your study worries taken care of by these combo subscriptions. So there are 4 combos currently available. Okay, so the first combo offers you the iconic subscription for ITJ and the plus subscription for CBSE 11th and 12th, and this combo starts at around 4,600 a month. Now, the second combo offers you the iconic subscription for all three, and this combo starts at around 5,500 a month. Then finally, you have a combo which offers you the plus subscription for all these three. This combo starts at 3,000 a month. And then you have a combo which offers you plus subscription for ITJ and iconic for 11th and 12th. And this subscription starts at 3,900 a month. Now, you can choose a subscription that suits your study needs and then leave all the study worries behind. Okay. Now, students who are following us on the JEE English channel of YouTube can connect with us on the Telegram app also using this link. So often what happens is that students tell me that they have subscribed to the channel, they have clicked on that bell icon, they still do not receive timely notifications from YouTube. So to ensure that that doesn't happen with you, and because of that you do not miss out on any of these sessions happening here, you can join this Telegram group. So this will make you aware of all these sessions and amazing lectures happening here and on other Unacademy channel also. You will be receiving a lot of information useful to you, and you will not miss out on anything. All right, so finally let's get started with the quiz. So these are the steps that you need to follow. So the first is go to the Unacademy app. Okay, then go to the plus section, click on the test, click on join quiz. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So first, when you enter your Unacademy app, you will see here, you will need to click here, and then you will find plus. Click on plus, then you will find this box. Okay, so you will realize at the bottom here it says it has a tab which is called test. So click on this test. Okay, then you will be redirected towards this kind of page. So where all you need to do is click on this join quiz. Okay, and when you do that, you will be asked a quiz code. So the quiz code that you have to enter is 670907, which has been written here. 670907. That is the quiz code with which you can join the quiz. So hurry up, and let's see how many of you have already joined then. Okay, so no one joined yet. So let's join the quiz as soon as possible so that we can get started with this soon enough. Okay, come on, people, join as fast as possible. Okay, join fast so that we can start the quiz time. Okay, let's just adjust the screen size. That's about it. All right. So let's quickly join the quiz, guys. Quiz code is 670907. So hurry up, people. I have written the quiz code in your chat also, 670907. Join the quiz so that we can get started with it as soon as possible. Okay. So this is a mega quiz on hydrostatics. So we have 30 questions here, and this will test your hydrostatics understanding and knowledge thoroughly. Join fast. All right, so I have one person who has joined. So how about others? So as soon as others can also join, we will get started with this quiz. So let's hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so two people have joined. Okay, so this is a mega quiz. We have 30 questions, so don't worry about it. Try and join as quick as possible. Okay. So I'll wait for 2 more minutes, and let's get started in another 2 minutes. Okay. So hurry up, people. Quiz code. You already know. You know. You should know how to join the quiz. Okay. So all you need to do is go to the Unacademy app. Click on test. Click on join quiz. Enter the quiz code 670907, and that is it. So hurry up, hurry up. Let's have some more people join this. Okay. Till the time you guys are joining this, let me help myself with some water. Okay. Hurry up, people. Okay, let's hurry up and join the quiz. Okay, so three people have joined the quiz finally. Okay, so then I think we can start within 1 minute. So I'm waiting for 1 more minute for people to join, and then I'll get started with the quiz. The quiz code here is 670907. Okay, so as soon as 1 minute more is over, I will start with the quiz. So if you want to take part in this quiz on hydrostatics, if you want to test your knowledge of hydrostatics, join fast. Okay. So again, I think we have waited long enough, and three people have already joined. So I don't want their time to get wasted. So then, why don't we get started with the quiz? So let's start with the quiz in another 30 seconds. Then. So this is a mega quiz. Again, this will be a longish quiz compared to the quizzes that we usually host. Okay, so anybody who's looking to join, this is the quiz code. So go to your Unacademy app, click on join quiz, and enter the code 670907 to join. One last minute, I'll wait. One final minute, that's it. Then we will start. Okay. All right. I think we have waited enough. So let's get started then. All right. Good luck to all the participants. So here we go. So the first question coming up now on your screen, it says the barometer reads 74 centimeter on a steel scale. The room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. The scale is correctly graduated for 0 degree. The true atmospheric pressure would be. Okay, so I'm not sure this is entirely a hydrostatics question. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Your options are 74.004276, 74.878, or is it 74.002? So hurry up, 30 more seconds left. Barometer reads 74 centimeter on your steel scale. Room temperature is 25. The scale is correctly graduated for 0 degree. To find the true atmospheric pressure given the values of alpha of steel and gamma of mercury. All right, so I got B options, but the answer was D. All right, never mind, never mind. All right, no worries, no worries. So let's get it. Let's move on to the next one then. Yeah, this was more of a thermodynamics question, so that's all right. Now you've been told that a vessel contains oil of density zero point 0.8 gram per centimeter cube over mercury, which is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. A homogeneous sphere floats with half of its volume immersed in mercury and other half in the oil. The density of the material is. What is the density of the material? So is it A 3.3? Is it B 6.4? Is it C 7.2? Or is it D 12.8? You've been told there is a container which contains two liquids, one oil of density, relative density zero point 0.8, one mercury of relative density of 13.6. Now, what you have to do is if a homogeneous sphere is floating in it, such that half of its volume is immersed in mercury and half of its volume is immersed in the sphere, then what is the density of the material of the sphere? So time almost getting up. So here are your four options. Hurry up and let's see. You can find the correct answer. All right, great, great, great. All you guys did well. 100% correct answers. Very well done, people. All right. So S. Pandey is in slightly, followed by Ankit closely, and followed by Raj. All right, let's move on to the next question then. So next question says water from a tap emerges vertically downwards with a speed of 1. Cross-sectional area of the tap is this. Assume that the pressure is constant throughout the stream. What is the cross-section area of the stream below? Okay, again, this is not fluid statics. Again, this is fluid dynamics. I don't know why. Anyhow, if you watched my lectures, this is a question that I discussed in my class. Okay, so this, if you have watched my lectures, you should be able to answer this very very quickly. This exact question was discussed in the class in my lectures. Okay, so let's see how many of you watched my lectures carefully. All right, still a lot of time. 25 seconds more to left. Again, this is fluid dynamics. I don't know why has it been asked in fluid statics. No worries, no worries. Again, if you followed my lectures, you should be able to solve this. All right. Time almost getting up. Okay. So the correct answer was C. 33% of you marked the correct answer. Others got B. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next question then. When a large bubble rises from bottom of a lake to the surface, its radius doubles. The atmospheric pressure is equal to that of the column of water height h. Then the depth of the lake is. Okay, so this should be simple. So if a large bubble is rising from the bottom of the lake to the surface, its radius doubles. Okay, so radius doubles. So if the atmospheric pressure is h height of water, then what is the depth of the lake? Again, pay attention to the language very carefully. Pay attention to the language of the questions very carefully. Can get slightly tricky. So the depth of the lake is AH, B 2H, C 7H, or is it a D 8H? Okay, 33% of you got C and 67 said A. All right. Let's see who got the correct answer. So Raj is powering through with all the correct answers. So Raj has taken the first place, followed by S. Pandey and then Ankit. Never mind, never mind. Let's move on to the next one. A hollow sphere of volume V is floating in water, or is floating on the water surface with half immersed in it. What should be the minimum volume of water poured inside this sphere so that sphere now sinks into the water? So is it A, V by 2? Is it B, V by 3? Is it C, V by 4? Or is it D, V? You have to find the minimum volume of water that must be put in it. A hollow sphere of volume V is floating on the water surface with half immersed in it. Now, what should be the minimum value of water poured inside so that the sphere will now sink in the water? Again, this should be very simple. Okay, this should be simple. Okay, so last 15 seconds left. Run out quick. Okay, time almost getting up. Let's see how many of you are getting this right. So here we go. Up. 100% correct answers. Very well done, people. Well done, well done. Okay, great. So don't worry, this is a long quiz, so you will get a lot of chance to make comebacks. So those of you who are lagging behind have a chance. Okay, a cylindrical tank has a hole of 1 centimeter in its bottom. If water is allowed to flow into the tank from a tube above at a rate of 70 centimeter per second, the maximum height up to which water can rise in the tank is, okay, 1 centimeter square it should be. So is it 2.5 centimeters? Is it 5 centimeters? Is it 10 centimeters, or is it 0.25 centimeters? Okay, so everybody gave the different answer. Option A was the correct answer, of course. Okay, so Raj is maintaining his lead. Great. Don't worry. We are still not even halfway into the quiz. So you will get your chances. Now, two capillaries of same length and radii are in the ratio of 1:2 are connected in series. The liquid flows through them in a streamlined condition. What is the pressure across the two ends of the combination of 1 meter of water pressure difference in the first capillary? Okay. Hmm. So here are your options. So is it 9.4 meters? Is it 4.9 meters? Is it 4.49 meters, or is it 0.94 meters? I'm almost getting up. So again, it's okay if you guys can't figure this out, because again, this is also capillarity, not fluid statics. Okay, so the correct answer was D. It's fine, guys. This quiz was supposed to be hydrostatics. Most of the questions are not of hydrostatics, which is strange. Hmm. Okay, so here is another question. A vessel with water is placed on a weighing pan and it reaches 600 gram. Now, a ball of 40 gram and density zero point 0.8 is sunk into the water with a pin of negligible volume, as shown in the figure. Keeping it sunk, weighing pan will show a reading of 600 grams, 650 grams, 650 gram, or 632 gram. So you've been told that a vessel with water is placed on a weighing pan and it reaches 600 grams. Now, a ball of 40 grams and density zero point 0.8 is sunk into the water. Okay, it's sunk into the water with the help of. Okay, congratulations. 100% of you got the correct answer. Great, great, great. Well done, people. Great going. All right, all right. Let's move on to the next question. Now, two capillaries of length L and 2L and radii R and 2R are connected in series. The net rate of flow of liquid through them is given by. Okay, this is again related to viscosity. What these questions are doing here. So strange. These shouldn't be asked. Okay. What will be the answer? Time almost getting up. You have your options as 9 by 8 by 9x, 9 by 8x, 5 by 7x, or 7 by 5x. Okay. See. Okay, so A was the correct answer, which 33% of you got. Okay, well done, well done. So this is what the leaderboard looks now. All right. So all are very, very close still. So not to worry, not to worry. You have a lot of questions now. Next question coming up. Two identical cylindrical vessels with their bases at the same level. Each contains liquid of density rho and the height h1 of the liquid in one area of either base is A. The work done by gravity in equalizing the levels when the vessels are interconnected is this should be simple. So A rho G h1 minus h2 over 2, or is it A rho G h1 minus h2 whole square by 2, or is it A rho G h1 minus h2 by 4, or is it A rho G h1 minus h2 whole square by 4? So 15 seconds left. Hurry up, hurry up. Let's see, let's see. I'm almost getting up. To define the work done by the gravity. All right. So all you guys gave A as the answer. The correct answer actually was B. Okay, no worries, no worries. There are a lot of chances, lot of chances. All right, we are not even midway in the quiz right now. Next question: two soap bubbles coalesce to form a single bubble of B. If B is the subsequent change in volume contained in air, and S is the total surface area, and ST is the surface tension, and P is the atmospheric pressure, then which of the following relations is correct? Okay, okay. So find out the correct answer. Again, a little surprising. This is not a question on hydrostatics. This is of surface tension. I don't know. I don't know. I think the topics have gotten a little jumbled up in the quiz collection. Anyhow, I'm almost getting up. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So B was the correct answer. 67% of you got this right. Very good. Well done, you guys. So Raj is still in the lead, followed by Ankit Pandey closely, and followed by S. Pandey. All right. So moving to question number 12. A vessel of cross-sectional area A contains a liquid at height h1. If a hole having a cross-sectional area A is made at the bottom of the vessel, then the time taken for the liquid to decrease from level h1 to h2 is okay. So this should be simple. I had shown you the derivation of this. Right. So is it A? Is it B? Is it a C? Or is it D? So what is the time for the liquid level to decrease from h1 height to h2 height? All right, high up. If you followed the lectures again, it is weird that all these questions are in hydrostatics. This is hydrodynamics. This is Torricelli's equation. Oh, I guess the question bank is a little jumbled up, which is strange. Sorry about this. Anyhow, yeah. See, 100% of you got this right in any case. So you guys have been following my lectures, so that is fine. That is fine. So well done, people. Okay. Okay, so this is a repeat question. So this you just had a bit ago. Okay, as I said, I think it's the question bank that's a little jumbled up. So that is why you're having this. So vessel with water is placed on a weighing pan and it reads 600 grams. Now a ball of mass 40 gram and density 0.8 gram per centimeter cube is sunk into the water with a pin of negligible volume as shown in the figure. Now, keeping it sunk, a weighing pan will show a reading of A 600 grams, B 550 grams, C 650 grams, or is it D 632 grams? Okay, try and figure out the answer. This should be. Hmm. In time, almost getting up. So I hope you guys are doing this quick. All right. So yes, that is what I expected. 100% correct answers. Well done. All right. All right. So the leaderboard still remains unchanged. We are now heading towards the midway of the quiz. Okay. So this is the question which was asked earlier in mains, I think. This is a previous year question from advanced rather. So there is a circular tube of vertical plane, two liquids that do not mix having densities d1 and d2 are filled. And each liquid subtends 90-degree angle at the center. The radius joining their interface makes an angle alpha with the vertical. The ratio of d1 is to d2 would be. What is the ratio of d1 is to d2? So these are your options. All right. So is it A, 1 plus sine alpha over 1 minus sine alpha? Is it B, 1 plus cos alpha over 1 minus cos alpha? Is it C, 1 plus tan alpha uh, over 1 minus tan alpha? Or is it a D, 1 plus sine alpha over 1 minus cos alpha? Okay, so the correct answer was C. Okay, just that. No worries, no worries. You still have a lot of questions coming your way. All right, so this is question 15. A jar is filled with two non-mixing liquids of densities rho 1 and rho 2, and a solid ball is made of density rho 3 is dropped into the jar. It becomes an equilibrium position, which of the following is true. Okay, so okay, this is simple. So how are the three densities related if the arrangement floats like this? So what do you think? What can be said about the relation between the densities? So this should be easy to figure out. You should be able to see which has the most density, which has the least density. Okay, first. All right, time almost getting up. I hope you guys have marked your answers. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Let's see the results. All right, 75% of you got the correct answer. Very well done, people. 25% got it wrong. Okay, so Tanya has also joined the quiz. Congratulations on the entry to the leaderboard then. So with that question, Ankit Pandey has taken the lead. Congratulations. A spherical metal ball of radius r is lying at the bottom of a stationary container containing a liquid at a density rho as shown. The force exerted on the upper hemisphere of the hemispherical portion of the sphere due to pressure is okay. So this is interesting. Okay. What do you think will be the answer? Okay, time almost getting up. So this is the longest question. I don't know if you guys will be able to solve this in the given amount of time. This does take a lot of time. Okay, still 75% of you got this correct. Very well done, people. I didn't expect you guys to be able to solve this in due amount of time. Still, very, very nicely done, people. Okay, great, great, great. This is a very tough question, and I don't think it can be easily done in this. Okay, so okay, so this is easy. The liquid flows through a horizontal tube. The velocities of the liquid into sections and the areas of cross sections are respectively difference in the levels and the height is h. Option A suggests the volume flowing through the tube in unit time is A1V1. Option 2 says V2 minus V1 equals root 2GH. Option C says V2 square minus V1 square equals 2GH. Option D says the energy per unit mass of liquid is the same in both the sections. Okay, so think about this, and let's see how many of you can give the correct answer. Again, this is also fluid dynamics, not fluid statics. I don't know why there are questions of fluid statics, dynamics in your fluid statics quiz. Okay, so D was the correct answer. Very, you got that right. No worries, no worries, no worries. Let's move on to the next one then. It's all right. It's perfectly all right because some questions are of hydrodynamics. So if you're not getting them right, that's fine. The water tank having a cross-sectional area of A, capital A, has an orifice of cross-section area small a at the bottom through which the water is discharging. There is constant inflow rate, which is Q of the tank, to another pipe. If A root 2 G equals K, then the time taken for the water level to rise from H1 to H2 is. Okay, again, this is a very, very long question. I don't think you can do this in 80 seconds. Plus, this is again not related to hydrostatics. So you can probably skip this one. It's fine. Okay, so 20 seconds more left. If you can figure this out, maybe give it a try. Or I don't think this question should be asked for you to solve within 80 seconds. This will take a lot more time. And plus, this is again fluid dynamics, not statics. All right, great, great, great. 100% of you gave the correct answer for this. Oh, I didn't expect that. Very well done, people. That was surprising because this is a very long question and a very tough question. I didn't expect anybody to give the correct answer in 80 seconds. Very well done. Surprising. A cylindrical vessel of 90 centimeter height is kept filled up to the brim, and there are four holes of 1, 2, 3, 4, which are respectively made at 20, 30, and 40 and 50 from the horizontal. Hmm. Now, the water falling will have the maximum range coming out from. Very simple. So which one of the following will have the maximum height? Is it A, 20, B, whole number? This is what? Oh, just pay attention to the numbers. Okay, from which hole will have the maximum range? This should be simple. Again, a hydrodynamics question in a hydrostatics quiz, which is slightly sad. I think I'll have to talk to the people who are managing the question base. These questions are randomly selected from a question base that is there. This quiz is supposed to be automatic. I have not put in these questions. There is supposed to be a question base from where these questions are to be randomly selected. I think the question base is not well organized. That is what I say. All right, very well done. Still a lot of you guys got it. But that's also correct. So yeah, you have been following my lectures. So this is also something that we have discussed in lectures. So well done, people. All that right. Now let's move towards the end of the quiz. So question 20. The uniform rod of length 2 meters, specific gravity 0.5, and a mass of 0.2 kg hinged at one of the ends of the bottom. Okay. So taking case theta not equal to 0, the force exerted by the hinge on the rod is. Okay, so consider the rotational equilibrium uh, as well as the translatory equilibrium. This should be again a lengthy one at that. Hmm. So which one will it be? Will it be 10.2 Newton upwards? Will it be 4.2 Newton downwards? Will it be 8.3 Newton downwards, or will it be 6.2 Newton upwards? Okay, so that's fine. That's fine if you got this wrong. All right. Never mind, never mind. Okay, so this is a question that you just saw. So this you should be able to answer very quickly, right? This is the question you just saw. So the questions are also repeating. So I think there's a slight problem with the question bank. Never mind, never mind. I think you guys are still doing a wonderful job. Considering the amount of answers you've still gotten correct, given the factors that some of the questions are too lengthy, some of the questions are not even related to hydrostatics. They are mostly related to hydrodynamics. I don't know. I don't know. They need to sort out question bank. All right. Anyways. Last 30 seconds left. Hurry up. Hurry up. Let's see how many of you give the correct answer for this. I think this again you should all give the correct answer. You gave the correct answer in the first go only. I think you guys must have solved this, है ना? अभी. All right. Surprising. 33% of you got this wrong now. That is strange. So Ankit Pandey maintaining his lead. Great. Well done, Ankit. All right. So moving on to the next question. A steel wire is suspended vertically from a rigid support. When loaded with a weight in air, it extends. When the weight is submerged completely in water, it extends by IW. The related density of the weight is. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, so this should be easy. So is it A, IA over IW? Is it B or is it L? LA over LA minus LW? Is it C? LW over LA minus LW, or is it D, LW over LA? So try and figure out the correct answer. So this is activity space. Finally, you have some hydrostatics question. Hmm. So this is a slightly tricky one. So let's see how many of you can figure this out. Oh, 100% correct answers. Very well done, people. So you are doing well with your hydrostatics questions, definitely. Well done, well done. Let's move forward. Great job, guys. Great job. Moving on to the next. Consider an iceberg floating in seawater. The density of seawater is 1.03 gram per cc and the density of ice is 0.92 gram per cc. The fractional volume of the iceberg, it should be above the sea level, is near. Is near. How much is it? So I had told you this. The volume which is above is how to calculate that. I had discussed that in my lectures. So this should be easy for you guys. Huh? Should be super easy. Okay. Just a bit of calculation. Okay. Nothing too much. Okay, time almost getting up. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, it missed it by a margin. Oh, no worries, no worries, no worries. All right, all right. So we are moving towards the end of the quiz then. All right. So here, a liquid having six excess electrons is kept stationary under the uniform electric field of this. The density of the liquid is this. The radius of the drop is. Okay. Again, this is a weird question to be asked in hydrostatics. This has got nothing to do with hydrostatics. This is sad. Be asked. anyhow, what to do? What to do? Again, as I said, this question has got absolutely nothing to do with hydrostatics. This question appears in hydrostatics. But any, still you should try this. If you know about your electrostatics one bit, then you should be able to solve it. And even if you don't, it's fine. It's fine. It's surprisingly enough, the question that I don't expect you to answer, you have been answering. Very, very well done. Very surprising. But well done, people. Impressive. That is impressive indeed. Okay. Let's move on to the next question then. So, okay, this question coming for the third time now. Okay. I don't think anybody should be getting this wrong now. All right. Hmm. Okay, so go for this. And then we are down to last five questions. Good luck, good luck. Anybody who wants the leaderboard to change, now is the chance. Last five questions left, okay, people? All right. Hmm. Okay, okay. Here we go. Time almost getting up. I hope you remember the answer from the last time. Okay. Again, the logic of this was very simple. So Arjun says, is sir anytime soon, Thursday, is it possible for a modern physics quiz? Modern plus semiconductors. Okay. Okay, I can definitely plan that. But I haven't taken any lecture on modern physics. So yeah, this I expected. I can still plan a quiz, definitely. If you want, maybe I'll plan it for Friday. What do you say? Friday we can have a quiz on modern. Okay. Okay. Again. This is also questions are getting repeated now, which is sad. This also you should remember. Okay. So maybe I can have two quizzes, one for modern, one for semiconductors. I'll see. I'll see. Maybe we can have a mega quiz. I don't know how the questions are divided. I don't even know whether I can take. I don't think I can take two topics simultaneously. Okay, ARJ. So that is going to be a problem. So there is a default question bank with the Unacademy. So when we click on host quiz, also all I do is select the topic. That's it, and the questions are picked up randomly. So I don't know if the topics that I select can be more than one. I don't think that happens. We are usually allowed to select only one topic. So I think we will have to divide that quiz into two parts, one for modern and one for semiconductors. Okay. So maybe Thursday or Friday, I don't know, one of those days, either Thursday or Friday, I will conduct a quiz on modern physics. Okay, if that is fine. All right. So time getting up, but yes, I guess all you should be answering this correctly. Okay, still somebody is answering B. Okay, this question was repeated like again. No worries, no. Okay, so Ankit Pandey has maintained his lead throughout almost. Very well done. Let's move on to the last few questions then. Okay, so this is an interesting one. A solid cylinder of radius 1 meter and a length 2 meter is joined with a hemisphere of a radius 1 meter. Okay, the whole body is suspended inside two immiscible liquids of density 1000 and 2000 as shown. The force exerted by the liquid on the hemispherical portion is. Okay. So this should be simple. Okay. So let's see how many of you can figure this out. I have discussed similar questions in my lectures, okay, but I don't know if you can. All right, ARJ, great. I don't know if you remember the discussion. Okay, the correct option was B. That's all right. That's all right. That's all perfectly all right. But that's wrong. This is the question that requires some amount of time, not something that you will do under 80 seconds. Okay, again, that is a weird question with hydrodynamics. A bent pipe of cross-sectional area 1 meter square, connected to a cylindrical container as shown. The level of water in the pipe is 2 meters. The spring force has a spring constant of this. Taking left, find compression in the spring just after the mouth of the pipe is opened. Okay, again, a weird question. Not difficult to be solved under 80 seconds. Anyhow. Let's see how many of you can figure this out. So just after opening the mouth of that, you have to figure out compression in the spring. Okay. So is it going to be A 1 meter? Is it going to be B 2 meters? Is it going to be C 0.5 meters or is it going to be D 1.2 meters? All right. So A was the correct answer, 1 meter. But that's fine. Yeah, this is a weird hydrodynamics question. A lot of questions were out of your hey, cyclic process for an ideal monatomic gas. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry about this. The topic that I selected for the quiz was supposed to be hydrostatics. I selected hydrostatics, and we have thermodynamics questions here. Wow, very good. Okay, so heat. All right, heat is rejected in the process PQ and QR. Oh, very nice. Let's see. Again, you can skip this one. Completely skip this one. That's perfectly all right. Hello, stranger Das. Long time no see. How have you been? I'm good. So, Aditya. So, guys, you can skip this question. I don't know what this question is doing in a hydrostatics quiz. Okay, so it shouldn't be here. Okay, so definitely, yeah, I'll probably report this. We need to sort out the question back. Something wrong with the question back. Hello, Aditya Patil. Okay. Okay, 50% of you still got this correct. Very nicely done. Very impressive. I had told you you could skip this problem. All right. No worries. No worries. Well done, people. All right. All right. Thermo question. I know, yeah. I don't know what's happening. Finally, we have a hydrostatics question. A sphere floats on the interface of two immiscible liquids. Its volume is V and density is rho. If the density of the upper liquid is rho by 2 and the density of the lower liquid is rho by 2 rho, then the fraction of the volume of the ball in the upper liquid is okay. So this should be simple. Okay. Which कैसे join करूं? अरे यार अब तो खत्म हो रहा है. This is question 30 of 30. You are a little late, Srinjoy. The quiz code was 670907. We started almost 1 hour back. Now, so you are a little late in joining. This is the last question of the quiz. No point joining the quiz now. Enjoy. I'll see you in the in my next session probably. All right, don't worry about it. Sorry. So here are the options. A, is it 2V by 3? Is it V by 3? Is it V by 4? Or is it 3V by 4? Okay, so time almost getting up. All right. So 50% of you got this correct. 50% of you got this wrong. Worries. All right. So this is the final leaderboard. Congratulations, Ankit. You have finished at the top. And very well done to all the participants. So this is where I would like to wrap up today's session. Okay, we have already extended the session beyond our stipulated time. All right, so thank you all of us for joining me this session. All right, so I hope you had fun at least if and some good practice. All right, so I'll see you next tomorrow with our regular sessions. All right, till then you guys keep studying hard and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.